Yo guys, welcome to Legends. Today we can do another drone flight. So yeah, let's start recording. Looks really nice, as you can see. Got a big lake down there, as you can see. Just a bit of a strong wind, but let's start with the 360 photo. Alright, we put into fair mode. Alright, start recording. As you can see, there's this building here which I wanna orbit. I also wanna see the trains. So yeah, let's orbit the trains. Look at that. Let's see what this building is, look. You can see that. Very nice place. I don't know what line this is. I think this is the Northern Line. Let's orbit it. As you can see, I started my drone at 80% because I didn't charge it much. I just was in a hurry. Because it's not good to leave your drone at 100% all the time, because that wears out the battery faster. So let's get footage of this. We're going nice and close to it. Let's explore what's down here. Let's follow the cars. Look at that. Nice shot. No cars. Okay. It's got a footbridge here. Got a train. Look at that. I want to follow that train. Look at that. I like this shot. It's amazing. Let's go to the lake. Right, so we're going to return. It's not big field, it's actually huge. So we're in Tottenham, as you can see. Big factory over there, as you can see. Also, you can see this blue thing. That's what used to be IKEA. Then it closed down. So it's something else right now. So it's sunny where I am now. As you can see, where the drone is, it's cloudy. But where I am, it's sunny. It's crazy how weather. This flight's probably going to be shorter than it's supposed to be because I only charged at 80%, like I said. Yeah, I can really feel the heat from the sun. See, I'm right here in this spiral. Right, we're gonna get where should we go next? We're gonna go towards the lake. Look at that. Oh, let's go higher. We don't hit the pylons. Okay, I can see the drone. Yeah, it's nowhere near the pylons. Let's go over the lake and get a nice shot of the lake. And across the lake. Gonna go to the other side. Look at that. Insane. Well, let's start him back. We don't want to stay over the lake too long. You can see it looks really nice. Let's start him back. Let's make sure we don't hit the pylons. I can see it anyway. Really high. Look at that, look at those boats, looks insane. Oh, when I look straight down, it just messes with the gimbal a little bit, so just gotta be careful. Oh, this flight's not gonna be that long because I didn't charge it enough. Kinda regret it. Gonna stand in the middle. Let's go here. And when you go sideways, it doesn't go as fast. Look at that. Start them back. Let's go to the other side. I haven't been to the other side before. This flight's not as long, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to land soon due to the low battery. Let's just get an orbit shot of this. Actually, one thing I haven't tried. me see where it is. I found out I could land, fortunately, because of the low battery.
Battery
Let's
level
just
is
stay around
low.
here.
Aircraft will
Let's get
return
shot
to
of
the home
cars
point
and
in
that's
10
it.
seconds.
Look at that, look how fast that car's going. Is that a Tesla? I think it's a Tesla. That train's coming, as you can see. Alright, let's land it now. 90%. Alright, let's try and precision land from high up. We're gonna land in the middle of the spiral. Give me some more
Battery
footage.
level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Alright. I'm gonna try and land it by looking at the screen. That footage didn't last long because as you can
Landing.
see, I didn't only charge it to 80%. Alright, so that's our little drone flight. Thank you for watching. Do more drone flights like this in the future, so thank you for watching.